Hey y'all, I wanted to share with you my roller bottle recipe for tendon support, which we call tendon juice. This blend helps tendons recover as well as ease discomfort in the joints. I use it daily in the morning and then as needed throughout the day. I'll share the recipe with you now and then go over why each essential oil is present, as well as give you some options on substitutions or additions if you have specific needs to address. For a 10 milliliter roller bottle, use 12 drops of lemongrass, 9 drops of COPAIBA, 6 drops of Siberian fir, 6 drops of wintergreen, 3 drops of oregano, and 3 drops of marjoram. Then fill the bottle with a carrier oil such as fractionated coconut, almond, or grapeseed. Alright, let's get into the details. When training a strength sport such as rock climbing or weight training, we put a tremendous strain on our tendons, which connect our muscles to our bones. It's common to get a flare-up of tendonitis, or we may suffer a minor injury that you can address through self-care. Through strenuous exercise, we get micro tears in our tissues that our bodies repair to make us stronger. So adequate recovery is extremely important. Unfortunately, on average, tendons take 3 times as long, up to 21 days to repair and strengthen, while lean muscle tissue only takes 7 days. So it's not uncommon to outpace your tendon recovery when training, which can potentially lead to some issues. That's why this essential oil combination is so important. It gives our tendons extra support to repair well and can be used both proactively and reactively. Alright, so why these essential oils? Well, lemongrass is the backbone to this blend. Firstly, I love the bright citrusy grassy smell which comes from the aldehydes, geraniol and nerol. But it's the geraniol that has the chemistry we desire for connective tissue repair. The oil is analgesic, a pain reliever, anti-inflammatory, and a vasodilator, which improves circulation. COPAIBA is amazing in this blend, as it's the most plentiful essential oil source of beta-caryophyllene, which promotes a healthy inflammation response, think tissue repair, through the endocannabinoid system, which are neurotransmitters. Simply put, it relieves discomfort. Siberian fir contains boronal acetate, which has a relaxing effect in its chemistry, reducing tension to promote circulation, soothe tired and achy muscles, and aid in the pain and inflammation response, which is why we include this oil. Wintergreen's chemistry includes methyl salicylate, which is a powerful analgesic, and its molecular structure resembles that of aspirin, so we're including this oil for pain management. Interestingly, it's a rare organic chemical that is found only in birch and wintergreen, so it's largely produced synthetically as a flavoring. As such, some people are allergic to synthetic methyl salicylate when isolated. But the companion molecules of the therapeutic grade essential oil and its specific chirality make it safe for us. If in doubt, dilute a small amount in a carrier oil and test topically first. The feet would be a great place to do that. So these 4 oils are the main parts of the blend. The remaining 2 oils are specific to my needs, so I'll close with them and why I use them and leave you with 3 additional options you can add to your roller bottle if you feel the need to. While oregano is commonly used for immune system support, it can also promote healthy tendon flexibility. Thymol and carvacol make up its chemistry, which are both alcohols. As oregano can be a little caustic to the skin, we use it heavily diluted, only using 3 drops. Marjoram is made up of terpene ferrol, saponine hydrate, and gamma terpenine, which all support recuperation and target tired and stressed muscles. Other options are frankincense, which help with inflammation if you're dealing with an injury, or deep blue, which will help with circulation and soreness. Also, doTERRA just released turmeric essential oil, which is another great option for inflammation and recovery support. Any of these can be added to the blend by using 3 drops. So there you have it. I look forward to seeing how this blend is helping you support athletic performance in the comments. Also, if you have any suggestions for other content you'd like to see, let me know that as well. Bye.